fellow Toastmasters and Mom, my guest in the audience today. Thank you for coming for the Ada County 2024 market update. We made it. We're going to be covering some interesting lawsuits that just happened in October. The National Association of Realtors lost a lawsuit, along with two national brokerages that got fined $1.78 billion, and some shakeup over there. So we're going to be covering that. That's some new timely news, which is very auspicious for buyers agents that may not be getting paid from real estate transactions in the future. We're also going to talk about the median sold prices, interest rates, supply and demand, and how that's affecting it. So we'll go into some realtor news here. You can see right here it says the jury awarded $1.78 billion. This is just in one state. There's multiple lawsuits going on for this similar thing. That's the listing agent would be required by NAR before to give at least $1 of compensation to the buyer's agent. That would be like paying the lawyer working against you. So that's what the lawsuit is about, is requiring, when you list a house for say 6%, that you would offer 3% to the buyer's agent and keep 3% yourself. So the lawsuit is about the seller being forced to pay basically the legal counsel for the other side. It's actually illegal in the state of New York now. That's already happened, and other states are having the same thing. And then the president of NAR stepped down in August amid sex scandals that he was sexually harassing people at work. And Tracy Casper there on the left, she's from Boise, Idaho. She stepped in to become the president of NAR just before Thanksgiving, and last week she announced her resignation. So only 2 months on the job, she resigned because she is being blackmailed. Someone was going to release something that wasn't fiscally about her, but something personal in nature. So she stepped down, and also the CEO of the National Realtors resigned in November because of the lawsuits. So there's some pretty big shakeups there, and the buyer side commission may be going away. Here's our new construction prices, and resale prices are in red. You can see we peaked on the resale prices at 586,000. This was not last summer, but the summer before. And then they started raising the interest rates in January of 2022. And you can see right here, you actually could have bought a new house for less than a resale house, because the builders weren't monitoring the trends to realize that the prices were going up so fast that they could have been raising their prices up, and they're leaving some money on the table. So they corrected, and this is all just their profit there. And then after they raised the interest rates, things weren't selling, and you can see they quickly corrected, and you can see their price came back down, where it's like the resale prices, they're just kind of taking what they can get. And that's more individual, like seller deciding versus a sales team at the builders. And then we ended the year at 494. We're going to take a look at a house that is just sold in December at that price. Here's the interest rates from Freddie Mac. You can see back there in May 2001, we were right along the bottom at 3%, and then January 22nd, 2022, they started raising it up, and we almost made it to 8% this fall. And last night when I took the screenshot, we were at 6.66%. nationally, and it may be going down next year. We're going to cover supply and demand. So we ended the year, December 2023, with 304 sold homes last month in Ada County. Now December 2022, the year before, we sold 333. That's pretty much the same number of homes with a rounding error. But what's different is last year we had 462 new listings, whereas this year we had 250. So the price actually ended up 5,000 higher. It did just go straight along the board. It kind of went up in the summertime and down. You can see November, the median price was 509, so we dropped $15,000 down from the previous month, but that happened the year before also, and it kept going until March when we hit the low of 470. Here's now the number of homes for sale. You can see each January it goes down because people try to sell their homes, and then when they don't, they take it off the market, and then they try again next year. Number of homes sold. These peaks represent the summers, and then January, actually past January, it goes down till about March each year. You can see January is the line here. So our prices will probably trend downwards for the next couple months and then pick up in the spring. Now here's the average home. The median sold price was $494 in Ada County in December. So this home just closed in December. It's 2,600 square feet, 4 bedroom, 2 bath, and it's in Star, Idaho, a CBH home, pretty standard, and then built brand new. Can you guess what the payment would be on this home at 3.5%? If you put 3.5% down with the FHA loan, the standard interest rates?
6.
It would be $3,600 per month, and it'd be about $17,000 for your 3.5% down payment and $28,000 to close. In that same neighborhood, also a CBH home, also 2,600 square feet, built brand new. This rental is $2,700 per month, so about $1,000 less per month. And I've seen that the rents are coming down pretty quickly. Here's the number of homes for sale in Boise right now. This is where we're at right over here. So quite a few rentals available. Now for my favorite part. Do you guys think, based on all this information, it's a great time to buy or sell? It's always a great time to sell. I'm Jeff Jones, designated broker with 208 Premier Real Estate. Give me a call and start acting.